It was the dawn of the second generation of jet airliners. 20 years after the last great war amongst nations, the Caravelle Project was a dream given form. Its goal was to provide the world with a small, quick airliner to move people about the Earth. Passengers and crew wrapped in 112,400 pounds of steel and aluminum, all alone in the sky. Today we are covering the history of the United Airlines Mark VI Caravelle in the 1960s era United Jet Age Livery. The name of the place is the Nova Airmada channel. The aircraft was powered by two Rolls Royce Avon series turbojet engines, with each engine able to generate up to 12,600 pounds force or 56 kilonewtons. Each aircraft can carry over 99 passengers in a single class layout. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 456 knots or 845 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 1,350 nautical miles or 2,500 kilometers with a standard payload. Originally, this Caravelle Mark VI was delivered to United Airlines on June 10th of 1961 as the first United Airlines Caravelle of the 20 order. The initial livery was the 1960s era Jet Age livery that United used. This aircraft and its siblings in the United fleet were a special modification of the Caravelle design, with changes made for the American market and for commonality with other United aircraft. This primary aircraft received the registration of November 1001 uniform, which is a registration it still wears today in 2023. Each of the United Caravelle were named after French cities, with this first aircraft named Ville de Toulouse. This aircraft would serve United Airlines for only 9 years. Being retired from the fleet in 1970, some time passed before the new operator would arrive on the scene. In 1973, the aircraft was acquired by the Western Geophysical branch of Litton Industries, a conglomerate corporation with the proverbial finger in many pies. This aircraft would be modified and operated by Goodyear Aerospace and Aeroservice, using the aircraft as an electronic and radar testbed and for radar mapping. As of 1996, the aircraft went on display outside the Pima Air and Space Museum outside of Tucson, Arizona. Over the years, the aircraft's paint scheme has faded and the aircraft is in need of good cleaning and a full restoration. The aircraft remains on display outside the museum as of mid-2023. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale AeroClassics version of this aircraft released in 2002. This particular run of models are the only ones known to have been made en masse for collectors. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you have seen here, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it.